from Uganda Red Cross Society Crescent branch. I'm reporting on the climate changes that we are experiencing here in my area. With me is the Environmental Assistant Officer, Mr. Grayford Masereka. You're welcome, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Can you briefly tell us one of the disasters you're experiencing here in your area?
Yes, normally here we are experiencing two major disasters. We experience river floods, mud and landslides along bare mountains.
Yes, Mr. Officer, what could be the problem? Because I'm seeing what could be the causes of this? Because I'm seeing the river just scattered all over in people's gardens. What could be the causes?
Yes, as you can see the nature of the area, the cause could be a poor human activity along the rivers. We have failed to plant trees along the river that could protect the soil properly and limit the water to overtake the soil. So this could be the reason to why you are seeing the river is scattered everywhere in the area. Another thing is illegal irrigation along the river. This area, mainly people have been irrigating their plants, getting water from the river to their gardens. This could be also another reason why you are seeing the river is scattered everywhere.
We have started this project of tree planting. We have started with the nursery bed, as you can see. So we are encouraging the community to plant trees along the river banks, even on the bare hills, such that we overcome the problem of mudslides, the rivers that just going to the communities. So these trees can reduce on the magnitude of the river, such that we have a sustainable environment. We are also encouraging people who are cultivating here in the river to stop, because it is not a good practice, such that the banks of the river can remain firm. Also, we are going to sensitize the community to always put to terrace their gardens, especially on the steep areas, when they are planting, such that the soil is not taken away by running water and other soil agents. Thank you very much.